Hello everyone, this is Jasper from EvMac, part of Sinomac Group. In this video,
I will introduce our semi-solid-state battery products or factory.
EvMac is a professional EV powertrain solution provider.
Our products cover PM electric motor, motor controller, semi-solid battery package, battery management system, auxiliary structure unit, etc.
The office area is not only the office for the R&D and management team,
but also houses our electronic component integration and pack workshops.
This is our workshop with 140,000 square meters construction area,
which is also the largest constant temperature and humidity workshop in Hubei province.
We are focusing on researching and manufacturing solid-state batteries,
which have the advantages of ultra temperature ability, long cycle special battery cell series, and high-performance large power battery systems.
As a pioneer of solid-state batteries, we have obtained over 100 patents,
which including more than 30 invention patents and more than 70 utility patents.
The mixing process is the first step in our battery production.
We have pioneered the first powder or liquid direct smooth conveying system. The entire process of feeding, slurry preparation, and slurry transportation is fully automated and carried out in a closed environment, achieving dust-free production. The mixing accuracy reaches 99.99%, ensuring the high safety, performance, and reliability of our products.
This is the coating process. Our modeling head diversion technology
not only has extremely high coating efficiency, but also solves the industry's problem of automatic alignment.
The magnet removal device is a machine that conducts X-ray testing on batteries
with an accuracy of 0.1 mm, capable of detecting even finer misalignements than a hair strand, ensuring the high stability of our products.
The coated electrode sheet need to enter this 70-meter long oven
with both upper and lower ovens operating synchronously for drying, with temperature control accuracy reaching plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius.
This is our rolling process, which can compact our electrode sheet tightly.
The electrode sheets, after rolling, can withstand a pressure of 300 kilograms without deforming, laying the foundation for the long lifespan of the battery and performing better in high-rate charging and discharging.
After the rolling process, the batteries need to undergo the laser cutting process.
Our company has pioneered a global automatic removal system for molten beads, completely solving the problem of molten beads and slag generated during laser cutting. This global pioneering technology has greatly reduced the short circuit rate from the industry average of 0.05% to 0.003%.
Here is our unique stacking process. This stacking technique
is like neatly stacking pages of a book, more stable than the traditional winding process,
reducing 30% the internal resistance of the battery,
end up with increasing the energy density of the battery by 5%, extending the cycle life by 20%, and reducing the temperature rise during charging and discharging by less than 2 Celsius.
This is our assembly process. First, through cold and hot processing technology,
the cell structure becomes more compact. Then, laser welding is carried out. Finally, through helium gas detection. The sealability is ensured to be 100% qualified.
The next step is our battery baking process.
The already encapsulated cells are placed in the oven for baking, reducing the moisture content in the battery to less than or equal to 300 parts per million.
Next step is the automatic scheduling system for charging and discharging.
Formation and packaging processes. It connects 9 major procedures including filling, high temperature immersion, high temperature aging, formation, classification, room temperature standing, coating, inspection and sorting, and automatic packaging and discharging. Through AGV, robots and conveyor belts, batteries are automatically transported at each stage.
Our semi-solid battery have world-first -35-degree charge and discharge technology,
which can start working without any auxiliary preheating system. Our low-temperature battery can maintain over 95% charging and discharging efficiency even in an extremely cold environment of -35 degrees Celsius, effectively solving the problem of performance degradation of traditional batteries in low-temperature conditions. Our battery power module can achieve an 8,000 cycle lifespan, meeting the usage scenario requirements of the equipment for 8 years of continuous 24-hour operation. While our batteries have undergone extreme tests, such as full charge bullet penetration test, puncture, and compression, truly achieving no fire and no explosion. Our all-solid-state battery is also under testing now, and we plan to start mass production since the year of 2027.
As the professional solution provider for China machinery and equipment industry,
Sinomac is the key for global partners to enter the Chinese machinery and equipment market. Our exploration of electrification began in 2018. After years of development and accumulation, we have deeply participated in dozens of projects in various countries and regions, including heavy trucks in Australia, pure electric new energy commuter vehicles in Thailand, pure electric mining trucks in Russia, pure electric engineering vehicles in Turkey.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact EvMac at any time.
For more information about our company, products and services, you are welcome to contact our homepage www.evmac.com.